Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I am here to share my altered time card with you all. Today is Thursday for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. She is the host. This is an open collaboration where anybody can jump on, jump off, and create or alter a playing card, a time card, if you have them, or an index cards of any size. I've done all three this year, and I find I really like these time cards. So if you have a pack of these time cards, these are great. And if you have Julie Nutting dolls, these are the perfect size to showcase your dolls and make a tag out of them. So that's what I did. If you followed me on if you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen a glimpse of the beginning of this doll that I'm using, and she is Melissa. And I have a bunch of Julie Nutting dolls, and I love them because I don't know, I just love paper piecing. I love dressing them up. I love adding things to their dresses, and I don't know, I just find them relaxing. So this is all. I think I'm going to start doing more of these dolls next year. I want to do a series of them, and and I have a bunch of these time cards, so I need to use them up. So stay tuned for these creations. So, as I said, I used a time card, and here is my altered time card. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Okay, so what I did was these time cards are not very sturdy, so I double them up and I glued them together. Normally, I would cut out what do you call it, chipboard for these type of tags, but I find that these time cards are just as good. You could slide in another sheet of paper in between the two time cards to make it more sturdy if you want. I rounded the edges with my punch here. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby. I laid down some different pattern papers and some um, book pages on here, and here's more paper, and they're all kind of like patchwork. I did a whole bunch. There's a piece of red polka dot paper here. So that's what I did. I inked the edges of the entire um, time card. Let's see. I added some die cuts. This is the word joy from my stash. Believe. These are ephemera pieces that I had in my stash. It's in a container, and I just pull them out as I need. Here is a, oh, what do you call it? A wax seal that I've pre-made, and I glued it on. Added those stars that I just bought from Target. I knew they would come in handy. And I just added stars all over just to add a little bit of something. Then I added this piece. It says, "May your days be merry and bright." Okay, so I paper pieced her with pattern paper from Hobby Lobby. I colored her with my Copics, and yeah, I even outlined her her paper, her dress, I outlined it with black, like a black pen, just to give it some dimension. Um, Let me see, what else did I do? Added this trim that I've had in my stash. I found a bag. I thought I got rid of most of my trims, and then I came across more. But I'm glad I got rid of a lot. I got rid of a lot of trims, and I did want to thank everybody that purchased from me. Oh my gosh, I appreciate you all. And yeah, it makes me sad when I have to get rid of stuff because I know I've purchased everything, and I've it's just hard to get rid of or let go. But you do have to let go. Okay, and then lastly, I used an extra large eyelet in silver. Um, and then I added some what do you call this? Baker's twine, or it's this thing here. I have a ton of it, so I need to use it. Some white lace, and then my last bit of this eyelash trim. Oh my gosh. and, and then I called it. I just love how it turned out. I think I'm going to spray it with some of that glitter spray, um, just to add a little bit of sparkle, a little bit more. So that is my altered time card for this week. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos and commenting. I do appreciate everybody that does that, and that a lot of people do a thumbs up. It helps my channel. Um, and I hope to do more videos in the new year. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.